Hey guys, it's Stephen Collins with Fort Worth Realty. We're out here at Highland Homes and Harvest Meadows in Northlake. This is a great neighborhood, lots of construction going on. Today we are going to tour the Denton floor plan. So this is my favorite listing Friday. It's the Denton floor plan, and prices here start at about $500,000 and go through $700,000. So this is the model home. Hope you like it. We're going to start it now. And this neighborhood is awesome. So if you ever get a chance to come out to Argyle, Northlake, this neighborhood has tons of pools, on-site schools. They do community events. They have green space, everything you'll ever need in a neighborhood. So let's go look at the Denton. We'll flip this around. Beautiful house. I'm here with Alicia, the sales rep today. And we will go walk through. I love their front doors at Highland. They do great jobs with that. So when you first walk in on the left, you have your office, beautifully decorated, beautiful hardwood floors. Again, this is the Denton model. They have the nice hardwood and the nice hallway coming in, nice high ceilings. On the right is the garage. They're using that as a sales office, so we'll skip that. And they just have a lot of nice stuff in this house. The ceiling height in this is just huge. I love walking into this house and seeing how high the ceilings are. So over here on the left, we have a bedroom that has its own bathroom. So this is a perfect guest bedroom. And then the laundry room, it's separate. Nice size laundry room. And then across the hall, we have two more bedrooms. And then we have the guest bathroom. So great for the kids, nice high ceilings throughout. And then we are going to move into the living area. This is awesome. It's a nice open concept. You have a whole extra set of cabinets that you can do your breakfast bar. If you're like me, your alcohol bar. It's just great. The kitchen's wide open. Nice gas appliances. Nice big farm sink. Up on top of the cabinets, we have some glass cabinets that you can put stuff in. In this model, they have the double ovens and the microwave on the wall. And then you have your walk-in pantry. And then the dining room's over here, nice high windows, a nice bench for the dining room. This is just a beautiful house, the fireplace. So again, these houses start at about $500,000. And if you are looking for a new construction home, I would love to help you with the process. Here at Highland, they do have a wait list for these houses, but I can help you navigate the wait list and get the house you want. And as most of y'all know that are in the market, these builders are no longer building custom homes right now. They're all spec homes. So availability is changing daily. So if you want to know the availability, give me a call and I'll help you out with the availability for this house. There's the bathtub, nice big shower. This is the master bathroom we're in. We got the water closet over here on the left. Nice big closet. Nice big walk-in closet with very high ceilings. And then you even have a little linen closet over here. Now we're going to go back out. We are going to look at the backyard. And what I love about this neighborhood are all the fences across this neighborhood look the same. It was an old farm neighborhood, so it's really great. They do farmers markets and a whole bunch of other stuff in this neighborhood. And you do have a choice of school districts. We're in the Northwest ISD or the Argyle ISD school district. So you got a nice big patio out here. Perfect for entertaining. And then as we walk out, this is the standard lot size that's in these homes. Highland does have different models here. that have different lot sizes, but this is the lot size for this one. So again, guys, if you're out here looking for a new home, let me help. Highland Homes, it's my favorite listing today. I love Highland Homes. I want to build a Highland Homes house myself as soon as I can. This house is just gorgeous. Everything in it, nice high ceilings. And this neighborhood, you're going to die for this neighborhood with everything they have and all the amenities they have out here in Northlake. So hit me up. The last client I got into a Highland Homes, we got off the waiting list in 3 days. So if you are looking for professional help from a realtor to help navigate the waiting list and the spec homes and everything, give me a call. We would love to help. Again, my favorite listing Friday. Tune in next Friday for the next listing. For those of you that are on, thanks for watching and enjoy. If you have any questions, again, this is Highland Homes in the Harvest Meadows in Northlake. Start out at about $500,000, goes through about $700,000. Several floor plans to choose from. So check it out. And guys, in a few minutes, I'm going to do a live video from one of my clients' houses as well. So check that out because that's right by the school. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.